Hello everybody, Tortoise Investing here. Are we in the midst of a dot-com bubble type crash? Things are looking a little scary out there. When things go a little bit too good for too long, that throws up some red flags for me. So I'm just going to show you some histories of things and just go over some things about what actually happened during the dot-com bubble and how today is very scarily similar. Now, if you're new, please hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and comment down below. Do you see a big pullback in the S&P 500 and NASDAQ coming soon? I'd love to hear from you. Let's talk. Now, without further ado, let's get to it. As you can see here, over the last year, the S&P 500 is up 28.18%. And we soared past 5,000, which kind of surprised me, and we are on our way to 5,100 in S&P 500. Now, this is all-time highs. We are there. We surpassed our peak from 2022, and I don't know, what's the next stop, the moon? It seems like it. So the last time that things were going real well, a little bit too well, was around the dot-com bubble. As you can see here, between 1995 and 2000, it went up 172%, and from that point to 2003, we've seen a 40% pullback. Now that is pretty huge, but if you look here, it's just an uptrend line. Like, this is, we had the 2000 crash. We went up, and then we dropped a little bit, and then just back off to the races. So I don't know if... I think a big pullback is on the horizon, but I am not the only one that thinks so. JP Morgan warned of a dot-com style concentration in the U.S. stock. Shares of the top 10 stocks are nearing historical 2000 peaks. Warned of a pullback. Let's take a look at what stocks looked like in 2000. So in 1999, right before 2000, this is your S&P 500. Microsoft, General Electric, Cisco, Walmart, ExxonMobil, Intel, Lucent Technologies, IBM, Citigroup, and American Online. Oh, AOL. But there's some tech here. And it's kind of a scary thing to think about. And if you go on and look at all your stock holdings right now, everything is just so high. Everything is through the roof. Unless you're looking into real estate, some utilities and stuff are still on sale. But for the most part, if you're looking to get into tech, you're a bit late to the party. An example just being Microsoft. We'll take a look here at it on the 200-day moving average. Yeah, up 17% off its 200-day moving average. This thing has just been, up to the moon. 64% in the last year. There's a lot of stocks that are like this. A lot of your tech sector stocks look very, very similar. So yeah, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Netflix, all of these, Tesla at one point, but has kind of came back down to earth. Meta, a lot of these are just straight up to the moon. Nvidia, oh my god, the story behind that. And I do think a pullback is coming. I'm not a financial advisor, none of this is financial advice, but I am holding a lot of cash in my portfolio now. I think it makes up around 28% I'm holding in just SGov, and I'm just waiting for things to go on sale. My current portfolio setup is American Tower Corp, Extra Space Storage, REITs, those are both REITs, MasterCard, which I have been wanting to buy more of, but I got in at like 380s, and it's at 470, but I'm still going to hold it, SCHD, Visa, and as I said, SGov. SGov now makes up a very huge position in my portfolio. I may have very sillily sold out of S&P 500, my NASDAQ holding, and a couple of other things, and it's just because, like, They were small positions, and I just wanted to have the cash on the sidelines. If something goes on sale, I can get a pretty decent position of it. If something drops 20%, I'm ready. So I built up a little bit of a cash position. It's not just sitting there doing absolutely nothing. I do have it in the SGov ETF, and I am just playing the old waiting game right now. And in the meantime, I'm just going to continue DCAing into SCHD, throwing 25, 50 a week here and there into it, and just ride things out and see what happens. When I get my dividends in, gonna probably just put them into SCHD as well. I don't want to reinvest dividends into something that's up 20, 30, 40%. But yeah, that's my game plan going forward. Again, thanks for dropping by. Hit that like and subscribe button for more, and until next time, take care. See yous.